Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize your Ton wallet settings. First, launch the TonKeeper application on a device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the settings icon, which is usually in top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, you will find various options to customize a wallet, such as wallet management, where you can add, remove or rename wallets. You can also adjust how you receive notification about transaction and wallet activity from the notifications tab here. You can enable push notification to get notification when you receive Ton tokens and NFTs, notifications from connected application. Simply click on the toggle. You can rename it by clicking on your wallet and rename this here. You can also change the application theme. Scroll down until you see theme button. Click on it and select the theme you desired. You can also change the language from this tab here. Tap on the settings you wish to customize, make your changes and follow any prompts to save your settings. After making your desired change, ensure that you save any modification. So that is how you can customize the Ton wallet settings. Customizing the settings allows you to enhance the security, usability and overall experience of using a Ton wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.